If you listen to Blaq Diamond's beats, they're always hitting hard. It's a different kind of unique but vibey Afro-pop beats. In this video, I'll show you how Ndu Browns makes the beats. So I started off the melody with some Rhodes, and they were kind of nice for the sound that I was aiming for. So I created another section of the same Rhodes just to make it a little bit different for some parts of the beat. Pretty much the same melody, but I just played with the keys here a little bit. After the Rhodes, I went and found this kalimba. So I use this kalimba just to accent the original melody. For some section of the beat, especially the hook, I wanted it to be different. I wanted to have like a lead fitting in at the same time. So I went and did this lead. Did this guitar. Then I went and did these strings just to add some little bit of drama to the melody. I felt like the melody was missing something, so I went and layered this choir. So to make this melody interesting at some parts, I went and played this guitar. At this point, I'm pretty much done with the melody, but I had to add this accent. Now we're done with the melody, let's go to the drums. I started off with this percussion. As you see, I did not play with the velocities here. Normally, I do play with them. After that, I went to the kick. After the kick, I did this Afrobeat bass. It kind of hits like a log drum, but it's a bass. If you notice, this bass does not hit at one because there's another bass here. You will see in a second. So here is the first bass that hits first. If you listen to it here, it hits first, then the last one hits. As you see here with the ghost notes, they are giving each other like room to breathe. When this one stops, the other one hits. After that, I did this second percussion. Then I did this other percussion. To put in this snare. That snare also sounds like a percussion. Then another snare. Then another snare. Then I did this shaker. So after that, I found this percussion loop. I just added it, and then I found these drum fills, and the drums sound like this. That's pretty much the beat. And remember guys, always keep it simple. Bye.